Yes, welcome to the Jamaica Young Police channel. To our loyal viewers and subscribers, at the channel we are a group of law-abiding citizens who believe in the rule of law and respect the rights of every citizen, but not the ones who do not subscribe to such behavior. We do believe in and support preemptive strikes because it saves lives. That is a logical conclusion because preemptive strikes save lives and prevent the further loss of lives. We are all about saving lives on this channel. We at this channel aid criminals, their financiers, their supporters, enablers, and the likes with a passion, and we do not want them over here. Yes, let us repeat ourselves. We do not want any criminal supporters over here. Please, we do not want your views, your subscriptions, your likes, or your comments. Please go elsewhere where the red carpet is waiting for you. Over here, we want you, the criminal supporters, enablers, financiers, and all the likes, to go to prison or madness. Let me repeat myself. We at the Jamaica Young Police channel, we do not want the criminal supporters and their circle over here. We want you to go to prison or madden. Moving on to our video.
Yeah, so right now you're looking at a man, his name is Javon Pinnock. Yeah man, Javon Pinnock, and he's wanted in New York for the murder of Javon Jamison. Yeah man, and we want this man off the street, we want him out like now. Javon Pinnock is wanted by, yes, he's wanted by the NYPD for the murder. Yeah man, he's wanted for the murder of Javon Jamison, aka Blingers. And we want this man off the street like now. Yeah man, we want him off. Along with an accomplice gunned down Jamison outside the Pure Lounge nightclub in Queens, New York on April 8, 2023. Jamison, a 23-year-old from North Lauderdale, Florida, was shot multiple times and succumbed to his injuries at Jamaica Hospital. And Jamaica Hospital is not in a Jamaica, it's in New York, so them kill him in America. So Pinnock is currently on the run and is believed to be hiding in Jamaica. His accomplice, Christopher King, has already been arrested and charged with murder. Second time now, him a charged with murder, you know. King, you know, in New York, you know. So Pinnock is described as black, look like frog. I mean, 5 feet, 10 inches, and 220 pounds, with a scar on his left cheek, or you can say face. So if you have any information on Pinnock whereabouts, please contact 119 Jamaica and let the police know that this corrosion is wanted by the police in New York, and they would issue the warrant to extradite him. There's an extradition warrant out for this man. But please, we're begging you, we're beseech you, use your conscience, please, for once. Don't follow the criminal-minded Jamaicans, man. Protect criminals, because look, the same boy that you're protecting today, tomorrow he might turn on you. Alright, so moving on to today's video. Yes, you know, them always say give unto Caesar what is due to Caesar. So you know that, you know, when they come on to other YouTubers, you know, we're not policing YouTube, but you know, we like to report on positive things, you know, and people who are making an impact when they come on to Jamaica. People have them various, you know, there's so many ways you can make an impact. We know, you know, who have done this, who have done that, and we can tell you that you're going to listen to a story today from Popeye's news link. You know, if you haven't watched it as yet, but this is a murder case in a real time. Popeye's even went with the police to recover the weapon in this murder case. And you're going to hear him talk with the suspect, the man who's accused of killing the other man, using a gun and recover even the murder weapon. So we are saying that based on everything that transpired in this matter, Popeye deserves national recognition for, you know, resolving gun murder and recovering the murder weapon. We have said that Popeye deserves some form of national recognition. Not in the spotlight for everybody to see him and know who is Popeye, because you know Popeye's work is pretty much, it's dangerous too, because he's exposing people involved in criminality. So, you know, as we say, him deserve some form of national recognition, even from the police force. You understand? From the commissioner of police, at least give him a letter of appreciation, a thank you or from from the people them who honored others who have contributed to Jamaica in a positive way. So you can see this man, he's on YouTube and he's contributing still to Jamaica. You understand? So an exceptional act of dedication and expertise by Popeye. In the often tumultuous and unpredictable role of law enforcement, it is not every day that an officer's actions stand out as exemplary, commanding national recognition. However, in the case of Popeye's remarkable effort in solving a brutal gun murder and recovering the weapon used, his dedication to tenacity have undoubtedly earned him such praise. Remember, Popeye is not a police officer, he's a YouTuber. That's why we say him deserves some national recognition. He's a YouTuber. Remember, the man his relentless pursuit of justice and professionalism in handling this case have not only brought closure to a tragic incident, but also serve as a testament to the type of person he is and his expertise, how he was able to reach into the mind of this killer and was able to talk to him, reach him, because the killer had a certain amount of respect for Popeye, and based on that respect that he had for him, yes, he just did the right thing. And that's why we applaud Popeye for that, for the work that he has done. Although we haven't seen anything in the news media or anything like that says, yes, Popeye is the main person behind the solving this crime, because you're going to hear him talking with the suspect, that's a killer, on the phone. This is not on the Netflix, this is real life thing. Courtesy of Popeye's Newslink. You understand? So we want you to listen to it. So I want to tell you that Popeye's relentless pursuit of justice, this man and his professionalism in handling this case have not only brought closure to a tragic incident, but serve as a testament to the man's integrity and how he handled himself as a Jamaican. So the case that involving a senseless gun murder, heinous crime that typically leave families shattered, communities on edge, and law enforcement agencies grappling with complexities of the investigation. And guess what? They might even burn down all the man's house. So you're going to hear it for yourself. So what set Popeye's Newslink work apart is not only swift resolution of the case, but his methodical approach to recovery of critical evidence, the 9mm pistol that was used in the crime. I don't think the police would be able to coax the man, talk to him, because the man have that amount of respect for Popeye's Newslink, that he was able to tell him that he might give him the weapon, turn himself in once him come for him. He did not trust, to hand over himself to the police, because he knows he had, take someone else, another person's life. So from the onset, Popeye's approach was nothing short of meticulous. Real investigator. With an unwavering focus, he pieced together the available evidence methodically, following the leads that others might have dismissed as inconsequential. His instinct and sharp attention to detail played a vital role leading in to the successful identification of the perpetrator. This is not simply about catching a criminal. This is about delivering justice to those who have suffered and restoring a sense of security to a community rattled by fear and uncertainty. The recovery of the murder weapon, a 9mm pistol, was pivotal in bringing the case to a close. We don't see him get any mention, the police mention anything, say it was the YouTuber who helped them. And it's disgraceful on the police part not to give him credit. Many times the recovery of the weapon can be the hardest part of a case. Firearms used in crimes often disappear into the heathers, making it all too easy for criminals to evade justice. However, Popeye's Newslink efforts ensure that the key piece of evidence was located, reinforcing the credibility of the investigation and securing the exhibit so that it's there to prove that this is the murder weapon. However, the man, you're going to hear for yourself, the man is not admitting to murder, he's admitting to self-defense or something. You're going to hear it for yourself. So it is important to highlight the courage and perseverance of Popeyes exhibited in a field where dangers are ever presented. You're going to see the man drive, go up in a mountain, him and the police them. You understand? Confronting the darkest aspects of human behavior. In a time when many officers face unimaginable risk and are sometimes subjected to unfair criticism, Popeyes, as a YouTuber, love the police. He's an ex-police officer, yes. And his actions shine as a beacon of integrity and professionalism. His unwavering commitment to do what is right, regardless of the challenges, serve as an example to all who serve in law enforcement. So this man take it up on himself, drive him car, go up in vehicle, go up in you're going to see the road. And his vehicle, so him a wear and tear that on him own vehicle, I'm going to drive my vehicle up them, but I'm more ride of the police them, but you understand. But him drive his vehicle. So beyond the immediate success of solving this murder, Popeye's actions demonstrate the power of a thorough investigative work, collaboration with other officers, and relentless pursuit of truth. Its success in recovering the weapon and identifying the killer offer a clear reminder of the significant role that skilled, dedicated, experienced man as Popeye, who's a YouTuber, play in the justice system. So them need, at least a letter of some form of recognition, something. It is in these moments the national recognition is truly deserved. Popeye's effort should not go unnoticed and underappreciated. His work exemplifies the values of dedication, courage, and excellence that should be celebrated at the highest levels. The people he serves, and indeed the entire nation, owe him recognition for his tireless contribution to making the streets safer, ensuring justice is served. So we at the Jamaica Young Police Channel say, yeah man, a job well done, Popeye. Your professionalism and commitment to justice are an inspiration. And there's no comparison with no other YouTuber, because you stand out. This is an exemplary work. Yeah man, congratulations man, and it not stop there, you understand? So we want you watch, you listen, and you decide. You're going to see all the road the Popeye drive up, and so you enjoy listening to this, because this is not on Netflix, it's a reality. You watch, you listen, and you decide.
Blogging in Jamaica is concerned. On Thursday morning, December 12, about 9 o'clock, that guy on your screen, he was shot and killed. His name is Romario Singh, but he was popularly known as Baggio. Baggio was 30 years old and he grew up in the Gregory Park area of St. Catherine. Like I reported on Friday, on Friday I had said about 6 years ago, but I now understand that it was more than 6 years ago. So, years ago, Baggio and two other guys, they were involved in the robbery of a biscuit truck in the Gregory Park area of Portmore. When Baggio realized that his identity was known, he ran away from the area to Garden District in Westmoreland, where his mother and other siblings are living. So on Thursday morning, Baggio, he was in an argument with Dwight Williams, also known as Cheeky. Cheeky, he is 42 years old. As a result of that argument, Cheeky, he pulled a gun and fired at least 7 bullets at Baggio, hitting him in his upper body. Baggio, he died on the spot, and Cheeky, he made good his escape. We are told that a house that Cheeky was living in the Garden District area, it was later burnt down. In this video, I'm going to be talking to Cheeky, and he is going to be telling us a whole heap, including why he shot and killed Baggio. You're also gonna hear me encouraging Cheeky to give himself up to the police, as also to hand over the gun that he used. Well, guess what? This morning at minutes to 9 o'clock, Cheeky, he handed himself to the police, and I was there to witness that. You're gonna want to watch this video to the very end. So, in today's journey, I'm gonna be following the police into the hills where the arrangements were made with Cheeky to have him surrender peace. Remember to hit on the love button from now. Also, share the video. If you have not yet subscribed, remember to subscribe. Look and listen.
Hello, morning.
Good morning, Popeye.
Cheeky, what going?
Yes, boss.
Oh, Cheeky. Yeah, talk to me. Tell me what going.
Alright, Papi. The night before, 2 minutes no phone to say nothing, everybody has what they have to say.
Yes.
And I like say me and him a bona fide friend like that. He have him friend them ways can meet to him a friend and a no friend. Okay. Me not like a no friend to him, right?
Yes.
But we still communicate. The night before, him a cuss and a quarrel say he want to go take out my cousin Patel.
You want to go kill Patel or you want to go? What do you mean?
Yes, that's it. You want to go kill Patel.
Yes.
You want to kill Patel because Patel take away shovel out of the yard.
Yes.
Right? And I told him drink and high. He must say them a thing that. So I say you just relax yourself, man, and calm. Because I think that the man they can't buy more shovel, so I make him that one.
Alright, well, let's add a little bit Cheeky. How long now you know him? Badger?
About 2-3 years now.
And when you live nearby, that's you could have hear him I said that the night before. How far away from him you live? Tell me what happened there, so.
We go like a Debian shop.
Like when you go a shop?
Debian bar. Me go like a Debian bar. And me did and he come on and he buy up me one drink, no one again.
Oh, okay.
But he never knew him limit type. I say, yo, you have that. So after that, no.
Let me have that. Have what? Talk straight now, Cheeky, man. Make we talk, man. I don't want you left out nothing. Eh?
Yeah, you have the mindset we have.
Oh, the mindset. Okay.
Yes.
So when you hear him say him go kill your cousin Patel, which part him did there?
Him did the over in yard.
Yes. Okay.
And me and him and you them in a group and me so I do some little work for him.
Yes. What kind of work?
Look at construction work me do and there's something there now.
Okay. So what? Him a work on somewhere and you work for him upon the construction? On the site?
Yes, me help him like carry over some of the stuff them and so forth. So.
Yes.
Right? Yeah, so I me help him. So I come me and him now to correspond to that so me can hear him and say that say he take Patel take away his shovel. Okay.
Continue now.
So me tell him say go easy youth. In the night now you take up it something from him. When me go up a yard.
Where you take up from him?
He did have one rifle, he did have one. He want to go put himself in a problem. So I say you take it, man.
Hold on the Cheeky, hold on. Go on again. What you say you take from him? One rifle? What kind of rifle?
Well, to tell you the truth, I don't know gun. So that's like a boy married. So Taros.
So you see me according to you see me the rifle and why you want to go do with the rifle?
He want to go put himself in a trouble in the night, they train drink and he get high. Tipsy. So I say no you would. Sometimes I'm going to calm myself, calm you can't drink rum and things, so you can't just go on and mash up people so.
So who you want to put himself in a trouble with?
Yes man.
Who?
I tell you.
So according to you hear him say he want to kill Patel. So the rifle take up say he want to kill Patel.
Yes.
Oh, okay.
That me hear him say to me.
Okay.
Sometimes I can't see it, I'm here in the jam, you're telling me what to do, Mr. Can't see mute. And so you do things, you can just take up yourself and just one go, and you never have no proof, say, I'm on move it, sure. And then you get upset, and you see, so no walk away, left him with it.
You left him with it, what?
No, me walk away, left him with it.
Oh, with it? So you leave with the rifle?
Yes, you
okay.
Leave with it. So okay. You come in and think go put yourself in a problem.
Okay.
Right? But when you leave with it, in a man, me go collect and grab a money. When me give a man, so grab a, and me grab a answer. When me go collect the money, the man never did it. When me come back up, see him no come pimp him a lesbian job. Come lesbian and sister. His sister see me in anything and everything.
Oh, Debian is bad your sister?
Yes.
Okay.
So him Debian pimp him did it. And him had a rum. So same time pimp him look for me and ask me straight want weed. So me go in a bag now, come here sell some weed. But when me go in a bag and go comes left. So I couldn't give you what it comes. So me tell him I go Facebook and come. Same time he walk up to me and I say, yo Cheeky, see thing here, one back it him now, we got see already now. He using a term that's his sister now understand what I say. His sister did it.
Alright, we go get back that again. He come to you and him say what to you? Say more about the thing for go and see.
You see.
So what you you say I use that in a term for his sister to understand. What you understand that for mean when him said that to you?
Say he want the rifle when we take from him last night.
But I don't see he want if you do just what about this one? What? That are the code. Oh, that are the code. Okay. Yes.
So she would not understand that.
Yes.
But the overall I see him something.
Yes.
Right? So we say alright. We say yo, we soon come and in that course and I flare up and I talk boy, the boy they have this and that and pimp him can't tell you everything when you say.
No, I say not this and that, man. Just tell me straight or you tell me Cheeky. Why you tell me it straight?
See, I'm if it's up my mother and I be there and thing there depend now.
Yes.
And I'll flare up until me go feel weed, we come back and give pimp him, he still a go said yeah. And me come over and give pimp him with it, he still a flare up. I say yo, how wrong with you youth? Yo, that boy go suck your mother in the boy thing on a bad man the boy and he start flare up and me see every flare in him now so me move forward and he talk walk me down. At the same time he talk walk me down, pimp him a whole and put him and say cool nobody you. I swear me not have to tell no lie, cool nobody you. And he still a push for pimp him and I rush and pan the same way. I don't know what get over me, I swear God, I don't know what get over me. Because I never even fire one gun before, but me just want something just as me don't know. That get over me. And then one time he get hit now and he run after. And pimp them and everybody run off. Right?
Alright. That gun there, what you use and kill him? Which part of the gun they did the Cheeky?
I feed them something with this scam and buy.
Where you get it from? If you try it, if you shoot and kill him?
Can I tell you, say, he did go put himself in a trouble kind.
So is the same gun? Is the same gun?
Yes.
But you say rifle? And a rifle?
No rifle, no.
So you call it a rifle, but it's actually a handgun?
Yes.
Oh, so where you did have it when him at the time I asked you for you, which part you did have it? You did have it on you?
Yes.
Oh.
I did have it.
So you never realized you did have it on you?
No, if you realize I have it, but you know, say a female still, I go flare down because a female, so he must say, boy, I have to give him.
So why you never give it to him?
As I'm going to use it for me, I'm going to use it for me. For what reason, I don't know.
So
I just saw the live.
So you feel saying you don't use it for you if you did give it to him? Give it back to him?
Yes, I just saw them live. Yes, let me give him. I saw him lado.
Oh. You say I saw them live. What do you mean by that?
But you like in scam and you rob and then something. Just for them type of living that.
Hold on the cheeky, because you're saying because some people, alright, me put up something, you know, say and some people everybody are saying home blame this and him that. You're saying scam and in scam and in rob. What do you mean by in rob? Cheeky, but you talk the thing now, you know, because right you know, you know, man. Right you know, you know, eh? You better you talk the thing, you know, and stop cover up right you know, you know. Cause yeah, so tell me what you tell me, sir. The
man they are scammer, so you know, so if any scam, that robber him they said this up.
Yes. Okay.
He will do anything possible.
Okay.
Anything possible. And then 1 or 2 times people get passed down there. Right?
Around 2 times people dead down there.
Yes.
And I the same link out of bridge them and kill man all the while.
I see him link out of bridge.
Okay.
One time not down them, me never did it.
Okay, but
you know say them and whosoever come go kill have a link. Right. So as me I tell you, and like say we have friend like that, so me know everything about it. You know, I put that there as a vlog of say boy I'm friend, so once say yes I'm friend, you go say well I would lump
So Shaky, the police then pick up 7 special, then how much shot you fire?
Well, almost them that, sir.
So what in you? You say him. Why in you that you squeeze off so much?
So me tell you, so me no know what get over me at the moment, right? This is that.
Boy. So what the plan you know? Cheeky?
We have to just see police or somebody will make you go in with that. So
if you want me organize, you know, Cheeky, me nobody do nothing, you know. If you want to go in, me can organize that. If you want me go in, me have people me can trust on a level. If you know, say no police now go do nothing, them take you up and carry you in. Me can organize that personally if you want me if you do that. You understand what I say?
Yes.
The fact say you want to go in. If you want me if you do it, me can do that.
Yes, sir.
So if you want me do it, me have no problem in doing it. Me can talk to a big man and tell him say, boy, this is that. You want me call him right now?
Yes, man. Allah is willing. Yes, man.
Alright,
yes.
hold on a bit. Hold on the cheek. Let me just call one big man here. Hold on. If phone ring shaky, so let's go and listen. He soon come on. Bossy. Morning. Me have Cheeky on the next line, you see? The guy out of White House there?
Yeah.
Him say him want me organize that him surrender.
No problem.
Him a hear you, so talk to your boss.
Yes, sir. Yes, bossy. I don't know what we could have meet up, cause
Come on, we can. You're available now?
Not right now.
You want to put things in place first, Cheeky?
Yes. Tomorrow will be better time, anytime 8 o'clock.
Okay. Anytime after 8 o'clock, then time tomorrow. Cheeky, me I give you my word, you know, son. And the boss who me a talk to, nobody will make nobody kill you, you know. Me I give you my word, you know. Me I give you my word. Okay. So
me take your word.
Okay, sir. So tomorrow about 8 o'clock, you say?
Yes.
Alright. How we are gonna make the link? That's we can coordinate it.
Alright. What's parking at White House, you know, sir?
We don't want phone call make first, Cheeky. We know if we are White House, man. But some of that want me I go this a number you hard to get me upon.
Yes.
So what me would I do is the person who me I talk to you now. Me I go text them my private number.
Yes.
And now for wait till 8 o'clock, can call me about 6 hours. And if you not, if you make sure so you not change your mind, call me 6 o'clock in the morning. And you can't call me private same way. If you don't know, I know the number. And 6 o'clock in the morning, can call me. And we can coordinate it from there. So for the 8 o'clock pickup.
Okay.
Right, Cheeky?
Yes.
Alright, sir. Alright. So never text me number to the person who did WhatsApp me, so them can have my private number, yeah?
Yes, sir.
And state that them way, you know, because they go burn down your house, you know, anything else possible, you know.
Yes, sir.
Alright.
Yes, I'll post the link to the entirety of the video so you can listen for yourself. This is not a Netflix series, you know. This is reality. What Popeye has done. And we have to commend him for that. There's no other YouTuber have done this job that he has done. He able to talk, coax, you know, build that amount of rapport and confidence and trust with a killer, that the killer is willing to hand over the murder weapon and even himself to the police in the presence of this YouTuber, Popeye, Newsling. That's why I would say him deserve national recognition. As a former detective who has conducted numerous interviews with killers, I do not believe a single word this man is selling. Cheeky. Yeah, I don't believe him. Experience has taught me that individuals involved in violent crimes often fabricate elaborate stories in an attempt to evade justice, and this case appears to be no exception. The inconsistencies, calculated demeanor and self-serving narrative presented by this individual raise serious doubt about the credibility of his account. That being said, the criminal Baggio, you know, the deceased was a known career criminal with a history of violence, which adds a layer of complexity to the situation. While his past does not justify his murder, it does place this case within a broader context of criminality and the dangerous world he operates in. In these environments, the lines between victim and perpetrator are often blurred, with violent confrontations becoming an almost inevitable consequence of a life of entrenched crime. So regardless of the backgrounds involved, justice must be served based on facts, evidence, and the principle of law. The truth cannot be obscured by the past actions of the deceased or the well-rehearsed claims of the suspect. The focus should remain on ensuring a thorough, impartial investigation, one that exposes real circumstances behind the killing and hold the guilty party accountable. So, as we said before and we say again, Popeye's Newsling deserves some national recognition for his work. And so we appeal to the powers that be, Commissioner of Police, National Security Minister, or even the Prime Minister, them give this man some form of recognition. Him take a gun off of the street, solve a murder case. More or less, if the detective them in St. Westmoreland, if them know to do them job, them will get a caution statement from the man. Open and shut case, because him not deny him not kill the man, and he's not saying that it's self-defense. Yeah, but the only thing that he's saying the gun is for the for Baggio. So that is just another day in a day living in Jamaica. Hope you enjoy listening to Popeye's Newsling and his meticulous investigative skills you hear it in the video. So have yourself a beautiful day. Jamaica Young Police Channel out.